In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the keyboard on a Samsung phone. First, we begin by restarting your phone. To do this, press and hold the power button on the right side of your device. This action brings up a menu on the screen with options for power off and restart. Once you see this menu, tap Restart. This step is crucial because it clears up temporary glitches that may be causing issues with the keyboard. After tapping Restart, your phone will begin the process of shutting down and then turning back on. Wait patiently for the phone to turn on again. You will see the Samsung logo, which indicates that your device is starting up. Once it's fully powered on, this simple step often resolves many minor issues, including keyboard problems. Next, it's time to test the keyboard. Once your phone has restarted, unlock your screen and open any app that requires typing, like Messages or Notes. This will allow you to check if the keyboard is functioning properly. Simply tap on the text input area to bring up the keyboard. If everything is working as it should, you will see the Samsung keyboard appear. Testing the keyboard after a restart is important because it confirms whether the issue was fixed. If it is still not working, don't worry, we have more steps to help you get it functioning again. Now, let's move on to using the Samsung keyboard. Start by opening the Settings app on your phone. You can find the Settings icon, which looks like a gear, on your home screen or in the app drawer. Tapping on this will take you into the system settings where you can make various adjustments. This step is important because it allows you to access the keyboard settings directly, helping to ensure that you are using the correct keyboard. From the Settings menu, tap on General Management. This section holds various options related to language and input settings. Once inside General Management, look for and tap on Keyboard List and Default. This will lead you to a menu that shows you all the keyboard options available on your Samsung phone. Here you can manage which keyboard is currently in use. Next, tap on Default Keyboard. This option allows you to choose the keyboard you want to use. In most cases, you will want to select Samsung Keyboard. This is the default option and is optimized to work seamlessly with your device. Selecting the Samsung keyboard ensures that you are using the most compatible keyboard for your phone. After you select Samsung keyboard, you should see a confirmation that your changes have been saved. Finally, after selecting the Samsung keyboard, return to any app where you can type. Tap on the text input area once more. You should see the Samsung keyboard pop up. Test it by typing a few words. This final step is essential to confirm that the keyboard is functioning correctly. If it appears and works, you have successfully fixed the keyboard issue on your Samsung phone. If you still encounter problems, it may be time to explore other troubleshooting methods, but often these steps solve the most common keyboard issues. Thank you for following along, and I hope your keyboard is now working perfectly.